What's up guys, we are back, we're at Motor Garage and we've got the V2 because tonight is dyno time. Okay, so this will be the fourth V2 we've done on this dyno. We've done the black one, we've done the green one, we've done the silver Ferrari Type 1, which got 151.3, so we've got to beat it. Now, if you want your bike tuned, you're in Brisbane, I'm going to put a link in the description below as to how to get in touch with Motor Garage, but let's do it. Let's work the magic, see if we can beat 151.3. Okay, so this bike's got a full Termi system, the whole way from the front to the back, i.e. full system. What a stupid comment to make. But the previous bike had a SC Project. So Brett, what do you reckon that SC Project we had on the silver bike sort of was a half, wasn't it? Like a two-thirds?
3/4 or something.
Yeah, do you reckon we should theoretically get more power?
I would hope this does.
I mean, a longer system.
Mid 150s.
Yeah, anything over.
Dream would be 160, but we'll see. It is still brand new too, because it's under 1,000 kilometres, isn't it? 635
Ks, although because we put the new dash on, the dash now reads 6,500, but who cares? So, Brett,
yeah.
what's on the line? A donut?
Steak dip.
Playing with your donut?
Ribeye on the bone.
Ribeye on the bone.
Or a tomahawk.
And you're sitting at, what number are you sitting at?
157.
157. I'm sitting at 154 and a half. That's 154 and a half just there. Closest to the mark wins a ribeye on the bone. That's like saying the word bone. Bone. Well, which Marquez do you support?
None of the Marquez's because they're Spanish mafia.
What about Marquez's girlfriend?
No.
Not
Nothing
even.
to do with them cheating.
Wow.
Cheating horrible people.
Wow. So if you're a Marquez fan, maybe don't get your bike done here. No, I'm joking. Rossi all the way, yeah?
BR46 for life. Banyaya is a god.
So 3 quick power runs, 143.4, 144 and 145. Not too bad for a starting point. Onwards and upwards. Now it's tuning time. Geez, that bike is loud. I've had to step outside for a little bit. The bike's still down there in the dyno. So there's a lot of blue, a lot of dark blue on that screen at the moment, which means she's running a little bit rich. We want to bring it back to like a white, those little squares you can see, which keep changing every time we work through the rev range. We want to bring that back through to our target, which is the optimal air-fuel ratio, and we've set that. So what you're going to start to see now is hopefully those blues will become light blue and then white. And then after that, we'll be up for the first of probably a few power runs to see if we can beat 151.3. So another round of revision and another round of riding, and it'll just keep getting better and better. Okay, so how we go?
We finished with 153. We started with 145, and then compare it to a final edition.
At V2 final
V2
edition.
Final edition.
Yeah.
Stock, they are 141.
Yeah.
So we're already up 4 horsepower just over stock, and then with an arrow slip on 145 tuned. Sorry, 145 tuned, yeah.
So 145 tuned with an arrow slip on for a final edition
Oh no,
V2.
so 147.
147, okay.
Yeah, final edition. Yeah.
So that's not bad. So we're still 6 horsepower more than a final edition.
With an arrow slip on.
So we've got a full system turning, so there you go. There's your 6 horsepower.
There's a 6 horsepower, but also this massive gain in the mid-range.
That's huge, eh? Look at that gap. Massive gap through the mid-range, so that'll smooth it out heaps as well.
Yep.
Awesome. There you go. Wicked job. 153, so you know what that means.
Look at the torque we've gained in here.
Torque.
Yeah, it's all
That's
torque.
heaps.
Yeah.
That's heaps, look at that.
That's where we are, the green line. That's where we are now.
That's massive.
Yeah.
So you know what this means though, don't you?
It's ribeye on the bone, you owe me.
That you owe me. 154 I was. What did you say again?
What was it, a lamb chop?
What did you say? 160. You're a dreamer.
I know.
Absolute dreamer.
Badly.
So 153, couldn't be happier. Such a good result. Once again, thanks Motor Garage. Huge gain on the standard horsepower, probably partly thanks to that awesome Termi system. If you guys want your bike dynoed, links in the description as to where to come to get your bike dynoed in Brisbane. Even bring your bike from out of state if you've got to. These guys are awesome. Thanks again. See you on the next one.